Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix connection problem with your Edifier X5. So as you can see in my case, that's the visible device on the list, and when I tap on it once, after a few moments there will be information that the pairing is rejected by my earbuds. And how to fix it? At first you have to go back from the paired devices list, turn off Bluetooth on your device, and then put your earbuds back to the case, close the case for a few seconds, and after that just simply open it. Take them out of the case, and right now you are going to use only the left one. You have to click and hold this touch control panel until this indicator starts blinking red and blue. Just like that. Put it close to the phone, go to pair your device, select X5 left, accept the pairing request, and right now we are connected. It looks like you connect only the left one, but they'll synchronize together, so you will hear sound from the left and the right earbud. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.